Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel Car Technology. So today I have the one video that I want to share to everyone in this video. So about to how to reset oil maintenance Lexus NX 200. Okay, now let's start. I will to teach you. Okay, and first time you can go to in this button back and scroll to setting and vehicle setting and oil maintenance request and then click yes. Now oil maintenance is complete. Thank you for watching in this my video. Good luck. See you on next video. Goodbye. And thank you for subscribe, like and share in my video and my channel.